Tired of visitors scrolling endlessly through your lengthy WordPress articles? Today, we're diving into a powerful way to transform those long reads into easily navigable journeys. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. We'll be adding a plugin to do the heavy lifting for us. So navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Table of Contents. You'll see several options appear. But we're looking for one that's well-rated and actively maintained. A popular and reliable choice is often the Table of Contents plugin by Stephen A. Smith. Click Install Now on your chosen plugin. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Activate button. Click that to enable the plugin on your website. Now that the plugin is active, we need to configure its settings. Look for the plugin's name in your plugin list and click on the Settings link. This will take you to a dedicated options page for the Table of Contents. On the Settings page, you'll find various options. A key one is Auto Insert. Enabling this will automatically add the Table of Contents to your posts and pages without you having to manually insert it every time. You can also choose which heading levels, like H1, H2, H3. The plugin should recognize and include in the Table of Contents for most articles, including H2 and H3 headings is a good starting point. Now, let's see this in action. Navigate to one of your longer articles in the WordPress editor. You'll notice your Table of Contents, generated from your headings, will appear, usually at the top of the content. And there you have it, a clean, organized Table of Contents that allows your readers to quickly jump to the sections they're most interested in. This significantly improves user experience, making your content more accessible and searchable. By implementing this simple feature, you'll make it easier for your audience to digest and find information within your extensive articles, keeping them engaged for longer.